Masquerade say, Maria Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kanagari Tanga Kukapanino channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kamachungwa Gara Waka subscribe, don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasmere Zimbabwe Tavignai, Nyari Kupisa, Nyari Kunetsa, Nyaya Yaburizwa, na Susan Mutami, Abuda Ashitaura about machine guns are Mary Mubaiwa. Susan Agabuda Ashitaura, Pamsorpe na uyo imushina kunge, Shingikaongera, Agabuda, Achitaura, Pamsoro, pe kuro wa mari kwa akaitwa na Genius, pamwechete, ni fake love yanga ilipo between ye na Mary Mubaiwa. Susan agaenda mberi, ashitara iye, about nyaza Genius Kadungure pamwechete, ne his former girlfriend, Zodwa Mukandla. Agabuda ni ex-endo, ashitara ya chiti, what you people know is fraction of what really was happening behind the scenes. Genius Kadungure ran a criminal syndicate together with his girlfriend Zodwa Mkandla. They were into supplying cocaine and other hard drugs to the public. Genius was the face of it all. Genius acted as a middleman in procuring farm machinery that didn't exist to several farmers, and after getting the deposit, he would disappear, and at times those troublesome influential men who questioned their transactions would be invited to have sex at Zodwa's house in Highlands and get recorded without their knowledge, and that was the end of it. Not all empires are built on hard work. Dzidzai kugudzikana nezamunazo. Mary Mubaiwa had specific instructions to kill Chiwenga. It's just that his script didn't go ahead as planned. If Chiwenga had died just like what happened to Morgan Tsvangirai, you all would have been celebrating Mary, treating her like a queen. Shingikaondera was once admitted in psychiatric facility because of Mary. 2 young officers from the CIO who were assigned to Mary died after it was discovered after an internal investigation that they were having sexual intercourse with her, and she had just bought them 2 latest BMWs as a thank you gift for sexing her up. Chiwenga was set up from the beginning, and Nganga Zeku Cameroon was the order of the day. Chiwenga achibikwa every day mwari kuti ashaye simba. Do mabudziro wakaitwa nyaya na Susan Mutami. Tingaziye kuti munaona sei nyaya itu jezo muri kufunga mu comment section.
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yes, my guru, I can hear you.
What is that?
Koma kabiko naima Mbano, like the Mbano dynasty.
Mambano, what is like? We don't watch him upstairs, Queen. We just woke up.
In Kuno, it's like, what's the time now? It's past midnight, almost midnight.
Oh, so Muriko time zone, like Keko Africa, right?
Exactly, we are in the same time zone in Keko Africa. But it's say, Vakomana, mwana wa SB moyo, ni mwana wa Temba Mliskwa. Kwenda?
Akabu, anakona chikoro Queen. Lofunga akatora brain za baba wake because nini nakandiri pakatika pemuna anogona pakati penopo andiri average student.
No, Baba, my guru Su, for those people, who gonna be watching because I'm recording a video, I'm speaking with my guru, Mkomongu, Susan Mutami, not just, we cannot just say Susan, it's the Susan Mutami, the one who shakes the foundation of the country. That is the shaker, the one who shaker, and Makoma Susan is here, line the Australia, line the Vienna, and Sukungo and people are anticipating live, my guru. I posted yesterday, and people are like, woo!
I have license, you're going to know that I'm not fresh, just Queen.
Pendula kutangira my guru, getting upon Timbo upon teaser. I'm watching Bichana, Sunye. I think only 2 teasers which I would like people to just have like an open-minded. Timbo Tangana pa Zodwa akatangira kupi. Because it's talking about Ngomzia rich antika. inini ndimi mune history yaZodwa. Where did Zodwa begin?
So Zodwa akakurira kunonzi kuMbembezi kuBulawayo.
All right.
So there was a chief aigara like say senge takaita imimi neni kuti tinenge tichibva kuHurungwe tichibva kumusha wani and then tiri the same village and then you find out kuti well ours is a different case. Wanzwa kuti say munhu pa next door chief amubva aenda kuHarare. So she moved to Harare saka paakasvika kuHarare chief vaya ndo proper up introduce my bosses and PSA. That's how she started, and then she started sleeping with all of them.
So okay, so amaya kengeri chief kwawe ko kumanjuto ndo yakamuintroduce maHarare.
Chief ilavo. Yes, vakafa.
Vakazofa vakarwara.
Vakafa I think baba vake. Like, okay, I'll give you a good example. You know how Owen Muda comes from the same village as my mother, and I would say to him, Seko, it's the same as that, yes.
There's a big shout out to Owen Muda. I've got a crush on that guy. I've got a crush. I'm telling you.
Oh my God.
I know, hey, people always laugh me at me. Owen Muda, of all the people there is, I don't know. He's just something. Owen Muda, you're watching.
Munenge makangokura mchizota pa dipase kuro kukura zvekumusha. Saka then it just becomes kungoti mongokura chokoti kwase kuri Muda, kwase kuri, you understand?
Saka chindiudzaini vakasangana sei naGinimbi?
Na Genius. So Zodwa had been in apana politician asinambodara na Zodwa, I'll tell you. I'll be very honest with you. Even baba mwana wangu inino akataura akati ndakambodara na Zodwa.
Is the late SB Moyo?
Yes, akarara na Zodwa. Na vanonzi brigadier angari kuMozambique akari ambassador kuMozambique wa Dube. Akazodzingwa akaita housing scandal. Vairara futi naZodwa. Apana munhu asina kurara naZodwa I think ndisanya ndiye asina kurara naZodwa.
Imkura afuna na happy wese akarara naZodwa.
Ndati apana musoja asina, especially vese vakafa because the crew yacho nayo vamwe vacho ka 3/4 they've been killed. But vandinoziva ini apana masoja asinorara naZodwa. Because what happened yachona I think yanga iri nguva yekuDRC because Moyo ndiye aienda zvekuDRC tichine mamwe brigadiers kana ED. Saka there was a planning to Zodwa aifanira kuenda kunoita mukadzi waKabila but kwakazoenda mumwe mukadzi uye ainzi munin'ina wamemkadoe.
Ndiye atori mukadzi waKabila right now?
Vakazosiyana because aiprojectwa neCIO kantinoziya kwini.
So the first mukadzi waKabila akapinda uye anga atori muZimbabwean?
Yes, no, she was not the first. Kabila already had wives. But here she was, mukadzi akangweni to say thank you because of the agreements akaripo.
Alrighty. Saka then Zodwa haana kuzoenda ikoko. Saka Zodwa paakazoenda.
No, Zodwa haana kuenda because she refused to sign. Akati uya hana yake haina kudzikama anotibatisa.
Yeah,
she didn't go, but she was actually angatonzi ndiye afana kuenda kunoita mukadzi waangani Joseph Kabila, that former president uyo Ndiko.
Kamuka mwana waKabila we. Koko chakazoita ko company yake yaanotuvhaidza inonzi Travis. Where did it start from?
That's not a company. Company Mkumana. She was that company was owned by a guy.
Anunza.
You understand that a guy who started it, I can't remember his name, but I know the story very well. So that's the guy who started the company. And Zodwa aka-introduce company iyo nemukomana ndiye akamutora akatora tishande tese. And then ndobva atanga kushandisa macontacts ayanga kurara nawo. Vaendesana kukoti ndokutora company.
Zvaida kuita pana Nelly achida kutora imba yaGinimbi.
Something like that. I don't know hangu nyaya dzana Nelly because I
aida kutora imba yaGinimbi achiendesana kukoti.
So what then happened? Mukomana anzanida kuti tashoranye
muridzi weTravis.
Travis. Yes, so Mukomana actually left Zimbabwe. Atirete one majara anga kurara naZodwa. And so she left that company. Zodwa with the help, we could have I built it from the ground in a Mazeka. I'll tell you, I know the truth. Don't be fooled, Queen. It's so some of us know the truth. Saka company and look at a company. That company never, Maria in Britain, Shamsia. So it started making money through a Emburana did Masunta, I can't know. And then I got a quick Baba, Mama, former director general, Babonyongwe, deputy director, not deputy director of CIO. Saka I told Roma, I want to know. Sanaito in the cocoa actually by the office cause no big breakfast, your breakfast, what canon system can't
Banaba family upon you to travel like I get Roma tickets Nasodwa.
Tickets in a photo.
I still remember that story, man.
Account so this right to it but I item a ticket a government. So Pawaka then got my contracts, with my ticket.
Oh, Zodwa was part and parcel of the people of Kaura Changirai.
So Dwandiaka Elizabeth Changirai on the same flight. Na Changirai when he was traveling out. So CIO used Zodwa's company. Because Zodwa had already been involved with these big people.
Naimi. So Zodwa Aura is a Changirai. Because
okay. So this is what Bakaisa lives on the same flights with Morgan. And then Morgan, you can organ suffer from speak to kind of then
Morgan I can buy Elizabeth.
And then at the time, Paka Munyenga Anka told me baby, like Idanaro, we are in the Lerato, whatever. And the Lerato Weku Blawayo, if you remember, Muskana wine, Takaka, and I 88. Yes, because the system had already been chopping around for a while, couple Changirai. Yes. But I saw happened because another Kalimantan or Locadia. Locadia was not up to task. Locadia as Nina, I cannot kill. I'm not saying that I can't. Out of the blue, you're not going to go to Sramban and Kalimantan.